What if I told you that you're sitting on a goldmine but you just haven't tapped into it yet? The ability to code isn't just a skill, it's a ticket to unlimited income potential. The problem? Most programmers never learn how to monetize their knowledge beyond a paycheck. In this video, you're going to discover exactly how to make money as a programmer, whether you're just starting or looking to scale your earnings. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to maximize your skills and create multiple income streams. So stay with me, this could change your financial future forever. You know the story. You work hard, learn to code, maybe land a job, but somehow, financial freedom still feels out of reach. Bills stack up, salaries plateau, and that dream of a high-income lifestyle feels further away than it should be. The truth? Knowing how to program is just the first step. The real game is knowing how to turn that skill into money, big money. Most programmers stay stuck in the cycle of trading time for money. But today, we're going to break that cycle and unlock the real earning potential of coding. 1. The demand for programmers in 2025 and beyond. The tech industry is growing faster than ever. Companies are desperate for skilled programmers, and the demand isn't slowing down. From artificial intelligence to blockchain and cloud computing, new fields are opening up, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for expertise. But it's not just about getting hired, it's about knowing where to position yourself for the highest returns. If you understand what skills are in demand and market yourself correctly, you can charge premium rates and have companies competing for you. For example, cybersecurity and AI development are exploding fields. A skilled AI engineer can earn well over $200,000 per year, and freelancers in these niches are pulling in six figures working remotely. The key? Staying ahead of trends and continuously learning. Companies are also increasingly shifting to a hybrid work environment, which means geographical limitations are disappearing. Someone sitting in India or Eastern Europe can now command Silicon Valley-level salaries, as long as they have the right skills and market themselves properly. This is why networking, personal branding, and continuously upskilling are critical if you want to thrive in the next decade. 2. Traditional versus non-traditional paths to making money. Most people assume the only way to make money with programming is through a 9-to-5 job. While that's a solid option, it's far from the only one. Freelancing, remote contracts, and even starting your own business can be more lucrative and offer greater freedom. Freelance platforms like Upwork, TopTal, and Fiverr are full of companies willing to pay programmers for everything from simple scripts to full-scale applications. Many developers build a reputation and eventually charge $100 plus per hour. Remote work is another goldmine. Companies in high-cost areas like Silicon Valley are hiring programmers globally, paying salaries well above local market rates. Don't limit yourself to traditional jobs when there are endless ways to make money with coding. Additionally, another non-traditional path that's emerging is contributing to open-source projects. Companies recognize developers who actively contribute to well-known repositories and often offer job opportunities based on their contributions. Plus, open-source projects can sometimes turn into lucrative business ventures. Just look at how some developers monetize premium versions of their open-source software. 3. High-paying programming skills and niches. Not all programming skills are equal. If you want to maximize your income, you need to specialize in high-paying fields. Some of the most lucrative skills right now include AI and machine learning, used in automation, chatbots, and data analysis, with salaries often exceeding $150,000. Blockchain development. Companies are investing billions in crypto and smart contracts. Cybersecurity. Every company needs security, and ethical hackers can make six figures easily. Cloud computing, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud specialists are in high demand. Mobile app development. With the explosion of mobile-first companies, building apps can be highly profitable. Low-code/no-code development. Many businesses want to create applications without full-fledged coding, and skilled individuals in this space can charge high consulting fees. Instead of being a generalist, focus on one of these in-demand areas. Specialization means higher pay and more job security. 4. Side hustles and passive income for programmers. If you're only making money when you're working, you're doing it wrong. Passive income should be every programmer's goal. Here are some ways to build it. Create and sell digital products, develop software, plugins, or mobile apps. Write an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable let you turn your knowledge into cash. Monetize open source projects. If you have a popular project, companies will pay for premium features. Affiliate marketing for tech products. Review and recommend software and tools for commissions. Automate and sell coding tools. Many programmers build tools that solve small problems and sell them for recurring revenue. Many developers make more from side projects than their full-time jobs. The key is to start early and be consistent. 5. How to stand out in a competitive market. You can be the best programmer in the world, but if no one knows about you, it doesn't matter. Personal branding is crucial. Here's how to stand out. Build a strong LinkedIn and GitHub profile. Create a personal website showcasing your work. Network with industry leaders on Twitter and Discord. Speak at conferences and write technical blogs. Contribute to high-profile projects to get noticed. Clients and employers look for credibility. If you position yourself as an expert, you'll attract higher-paying opportunities. Your ability to code is a superpower, but only if you use it correctly. You have the tools to create financial freedom, but waiting won't get you there. Whether you start freelancing, build a side hustle, or specialize in a high-paying niche, the key is to take action today. Because every day you hesitate is another day you're leaving money on the table. If you found these strategies useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making insights. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first. And don't stop here, YouTube has already chosen the best video for you to watch next. It's on the screen now, click it and take your programming income to the next level.